A cabin filter in a 2021 Toyota Camry. It's going to be located in the glove box here. So go ahead and open up the glove box. I'm going to take this door off here, push this tab in towards us, remove this. And we're going to take this door off here, squeeze these tabs together towards you. This side works. This like little tab off here. So the guys here. There should go into the section right there. Then we can pull out this filter and the retainer. Then we're going to reuse the retainer. Just taking the filter out. Look at this. It's very, very simple. You get your new filter, and you need to check to see if it says airflow, and we need this airflow going down. And if you need a filter, check the description box. I'll have a filter that takes you to, or a link that takes you to Amazon where you can get the filter if you want to get one of these filters. Makes it super easy. Let me just slide this back in, and we need to make sure it's all the way in, because this needs to actually sit up in it. Right. Like this. Alright. So if we look at the door, it has these feet right here that need to go in between. Start the left side. Make sure this thing is all the way in. It's not really all the way in. That back side is all the way pushed in. There we go. You know you got it when it goes in. All this is flat, okay? It's going all the way, and it's going to sit up like this, okay? Might struggle a little bit like I did, but you'll get it eventually. This door will go on here, left side first, push it on. It should snap a little bit on this side. And we get our cover. Left side goes in first. Snap it on there just like that, and we're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could, and I hope to see you in another Toyota video.